Hello friends, welcome to my channel BioCafe. Myself Mahesh Mahajan. Today we are going to discuss about some of the numerical questions which were asked in various attempts of CSIR net examination, and some of the questions I had prepared myself also. That also we are going to deal in today's video. So these questions are related to the calculation of population size with the help of mark recapture technique. If you haven't seen my previous video related to mark recapture technique, I suggest you that you should go through that video so that your understanding related to the concept is more clear and you will be able to understand this video more specifically and effectively. So let us begin with the topic. But before going to start, I'll have a quick revision for the topic, right? So the scientists who are going to calculate the size of the population for any of the species, so he will first capture the species, so I'm writing it as capital C, and this first captured animals will become automatically my first sample, therefore I'm writing it as Fs. Then after capturing, the scientist is going to mark them, therefore I'm writing it as capital M. Then he is going to release them back into the population so that they are getting mixed once again. Later on, he is going to recapture them, therefore I am writing it as RE dot C. So recapture them. So these recaptured animals will automatically become my second sample. And in this second sample, you can find that there are two types of individuals. First, which are marked or which were marked in the first sample. Therefore, I am writing it as capital M. And there are certain other individuals who are unmarked, right? So here you can see that a quick recap of the topic is given or mentioned. So the scientist is going to first capture them. This is my first sample. Then the first sample is going to be marked with this with the tag or paints or some other stuff by the scientist. Then he is going to release them back. Then later on he is going to recapture them. These recaptured animals will become my second sample, and in this second sample you are going to find that there are two types of individuals. One are marked and second one are unmarked. So this is what the quick revision for the mark recapture technique is. Then again, now we have to discuss about the formula which were applicable, which was applicable to calculate the population size. So n, which is there, it is going to denote the total population size, and it is equal to number of marked individuals in my first sample multiplied by my second sample size, and overall we are going to divide it with number of individuals which were marked previously in the first sample and they are found in what, in your second sample. So this is what actually the formula is to calculate the size of the population. N, that is the total population size, and it is equal to number of marked individuals in the first sample multiplied by the second sample size, and overall we are dividing it with the number of individuals which were previously marked in the first sample but are now found in the second sample. So this is what actually the formula we are going to use to calculate our numerical questions related to population size, right? So let us begin with the question, and this question is from CSIR net June 2017. Here you can see that in the question, in an experiment to determine the number of rats in a field, 80 rats were initially captured. So initially captured मतलब क्या हुआ, आपका first sample. So how many rats are there in first sample? 80. So आप ध्यान रखिए इसको. Then they were marked and released. After 1 month, 100 rats were captured in the same field. So these again becomes my recaptured, and recaptured को हम क्या बोलते हैं, second sample. तो first sample की size क्या है हमारी 80, second sample जो recapture हुए उसकी size क्या है 100, and you can find that in this second sample 20 were previously marked. तो 20 कैसे है, previously marked है, right? So आसानी से you just have to put the value, and depending upon the values which are given you can easily calculate with the help of the formula and you can find the answer. It was asked in June 2017 attempt, and it is very easy question, right? If you are knowing the formula then it becomes very easy. So what is the What is my first sample size? That is my 80, right? And what is my second sample size? That is 100. And what is what is the number of marked individuals previously? 20. So by applying the formula, I can calculate it very easily, right? So it becomes my population size, and the population size is 400. So 80 into 100 divided by 20, as per the formula, you can have the option 3, which is correct, that is 400 is the population size for this rats. I hope now the things are clear, right? It is very easy. You just have to put the formula and you have to just read the question carefully, that how many individuals are captured in the first sample, then how many are recaptured, and how many are marked. These three things will play an important role so as to have your calculation with the utmost precision, right? So this is what actually the first question was, and the answer is your 400. Then second, again this question is from CSIR net, right? So here you can see that in order to estimate the population size of fish species in a lake, a researcher captures 100 fish from the lake. So what is my first sample size? That is 100. तो पहले मेरी sample size क्या है? 100 है, right? And later on he is marking them with the colored tags and releasing them back into the lake once again, and slowly after some time he is going to recapture them. So what is my recaptured size? That is 150. तो second sample की size क्या हो गई मेरी? 150. first sample की size मेरी हो गई 100, और उसी 150 में से marked individuals कितने हैं? 25. So it is once again very simple question, just आपको value put up करनी है formula में and you are going to get the answer. So let us calculate this question also. So what is the population size? First population size is my 100, and what is my second population size? That is 150. And how many individuals are marked? 25, right? 25. So now as per the calculation you can easily count that the value for n comes to be 600, and once again you can see that the option number 3 is the correct option for this particular question. Very easy it is, right? So moving to the next question, you just simply need to apply the formula. Nothing they are going to change, but the name of the techniques they are going to change, because I had mentioned the names in my previous video. And again, once again, I am suggesting you, if you haven't seen that video, just go through that video first, so that easily you are going to get what we are going through now. See, once again, this is question prepared by myself only. If a researcher want to carry out mark recapture technique and to calculate the population size of rabbits, so he is going to capture how many? 400. So 400 is my first sample size, and then he is marking them and releasing back them into their environment. After that he is recapturing them. तो अब recapture करने के बाद भी कितने species वो recapture कर रहा है? That is 400. So again my second sample becomes my 400. तो 400 आ जा रहा है, and उस 400 में से कितने marked है? 100 are marked. तो आपको just simple put up करना है formula, that n is equal to number of individuals marked in the first sample. Here the first sample is 400 multiplied by second sample size. Again the second sample is 400 and divided by marked individuals in the second sample. तो वो हो गए हमारे 100. So you can easily have the answer that 1600 becomes your answer for the population size of this particular rabbit. So let me show you. 400 is my first sample, then 400 is my second sample, and here you can find that 100 are marked. So easily I can have the calculation, and n becomes my 1600. So I hope now the things are clear to you all. So this is what actually they are doing. They are just changing the name of the technique, as well as I can say they are just elaborating the content or theory so as to have the confusion. But you don't have to be confused. You just need to pick up the points. Say ki what are my first sample, what is my first sample size, what is my second sample size, and how many individuals are marked in my second sample which were found. That is what actually you have to do. This is what in order to have the understanding I had made this question once again. So you just need to go through here. In this question you can find that the name of the technique which is there, it is quite different. That is mark release recapture technique. See here they have used the alternative form. I hope now the understanding related to mark recapture technique and the sums which were asked, they are easy, as well as the concept is easy, right? So if you are having any sort of doubt, then you can ask me in the comment box. And if you had liked this video, please hit the like button, please share and subscribe. So this is one more question which is there. You can just take the screenshot and do it, and please make sure that you are giving me the answer in the comment box. So take the screenshot of it and give me the answer. Okay, fine. I hope that you had taken the screenshot. So thank you so much. Once again, I am going to have the calculations related to the population dispersion in my upcoming video. So I hope that you are going to like that also. Please share, subscribe, and if you are having any doubt, once again I am telling you, then you can just ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.